Alright guys, so here is the Scarecrow owl that I purchased on Amazon. I'm gonna put it in my garden. And it's detector motion. As you can see, this is the motion detector right here. So when I move, it starts working. Okay? And the eye is really cool too at night. So that's gonna deter a lot of animals around my garden. So this is the sensor, and down here you have a battery slot where you can replace the rechargeable battery. If you have a bigger one, slap it in there, it's going to last longer. But on top here you have a little solar panel that's going to recharge the battery for you. And these are two mounting clips that you can actually turn to different angle that you can, mount it on your either 2x4 post or whatnot. I mean 4x4. And there you go. I'm gonna turn it off for now. So I will be putting this in my garden really soon.